We are going to be trying this out on my head today. This is going to be the first time I use this in my hair. I'm a little scared, but let's see how it goes. We're only using 4 things for this video. First and foremost, we're using hair ties to divide the hair, spray bottle, because you need to wet the hair. I guess it should have been the first thing because it's not much of a video without this part. And lastly, you need a bowl, specifically plastic bowl, and a plastic spoon to stir it. If you don't listen to me, you're just gonna have to deal with whatever happened. But don't use no metal. That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna section off my hair first before I start mixing everything. That way I don't make any big mess. So I'm officially done with the whole internet crush that I had going on. I thought I was done before, but like I'm for real done now. I ain't gonna lie. Hair is tied up into 4 full sections, as you can see. Now it's time to mix up that clay and put it in the bowl. The reason why I say I'm done, it all started with good old India Love. Y'all know India, she's beautiful. I love this lady for years. I thought this lady was like the definition of what beautiful is. Just natural beauty. I was just like, you know what? She got it. Then I got into a relationship one day and I looked at India. I was like, India, I can't look at you the same no more. I'm with someone. We gotta stop this. This is unhealthy. So I unfollowed her off the gram. Loyal. This is still too watery, so I'm gonna have to put a lot more clay. I unfollowed her, trying to be a better man, you know? Can't tempt yourself with your eyes. Come to find out, India got a BBL. I know this is a very unpopular opinion. BBLs don't do it for me. Does quite the opposite. To each his own, but I don't rock with it. I love me a natural woman. But don't lose me though. Don't lose me though, because this goes into the whole internet crush thing, alright? Just stay with me. It's starting to get like clumped up. We're getting closer, but we're still not quite there yet. Personally, I don't think you should have an internet crush while you're dating someone, because they're still a human at the end of the day. In my head, it's like, okay, what if you see them in real life while you're with your partner? How are you gonna act? But once India got the BBL, I was like, bruh, it's not even an option for me to be attracted to you anymore. Like, you're done. So I was like, internet crush phase officially done. Or so I thought. How about just grab a spoon and don't do what I just did? Because this is pretty messy, I'm not gonna lie. So I guess the next step is to finally spray my hair down. Oh, that's some cold stuff. Ugh. Time to add it in. So as I was saying, let me clarify what I mean when I say this. I don't literally have like a crush on these people. I just think that they're more beautiful on average and compared to the average, I should say. Now, I saw this one girl on TikTok. I thought she was really attractive, you know? I've known of her for a while and I've grown very fond of her. She has a great personality, really funny, and she knows how to dress. Like, basic stuff. I'm not asking for much. That should be enough to hold me back for a good little bit. I don't really do internet crushes because once again, they're still regular people. So it's not like I was on this girl page every day. Like if she popped up on my TikTok or whatever the case may be, I'll watch the video, I'll like it, and I'll move on. Now I ain't gonna lie, boy. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Doing your thing now. And it's not like it was far out of reach neither, because we was about the same age. She's like a year or 2 older than me, if I'm not mistaken. I ain't delusional like some of y'all now. I had to put some of my hair like to the back because I'm not about to burn my eyes for nobody. I'm just not doing it. Y'all ain't about to see me screaming on camera. Nah. Putting it in the back, and we're about to do the other half. Bruh, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Like, is this a joke? Are you kidding me? Foresee who? Y'all don't know anybody else doing this. You might know someone else, but they ain't doing it like me. I can humbly say that one. You know, I just like to thank God for everything he's done. Make sure this side ain't fully dry yet. Here's where the story gets a little crazy. For the past month or so, she been saying how she ain't been feeling herself, you know. She ain't been feeling that good. I'm like, okay, you know, it get like that sometimes on social media where you post too much, you gotta take a step back, you gotta realize you still a human. That's fair. We all feel that way sometimes. Okay, cool. Why is she gonna go on YouTube and post a video? It's a bunch of comments immediately underneath the video. why all the comments say congratulations in the, under the video? Congratulations for what? I said I know it ain't what I think it is. Maybe you playing around. Maybe you trying to tell me a little joke. Everybody want to be Dave Chappelle. Everybody want to be Kevin Hart. So, oh, she want to do a little jokey joke. She want to stop her little fashion video. She want to do prank videos. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe we turning the tables. This is a new year. I support that. I'm gonna need somebody to explain to me expeditiously why about 10 seconds into the video she holding up an ultrasound baby picture. Why do I see that on my screen? More importantly, why do I see it coming from her? More importantly, why is she saying she's pregnant? Last time I checked, she had no boyfriend. So, who is he? That's my question. Who is he? Who is he? And why didn't I know? Alright, got this bad boy tied up. I'm gonna let this dry for the next 20-30 minutes and I'm gonna be back when it's done. Honestly, y'all ain't got no excuses. Y'all seen the trim that I just got a couple weeks ago. I could still do a pony? Are you, oh, I just cracked the mask. Are you kidding me? Like, this shouldn't even be possible. Stop it. Stop it right now. I'm about to go rinse this out and y'all just gonna have to see when I'm done. All right, so I'm done. I'm not putting no shirt on because my hair is absolutely too soaked right now. Quick little length check. Just quick little length check for you. Just want to let y'all know, even though I trim my hair, I still got more hair than a lot of y'all moms. Yeah, that I was gonna say y'all or y'all girl, but I'm just kidding. But no, for real though, we finished it. I like how my hair feels. It's really soft. Keep in mind, I deep condition because the mask does strip your hair. It's sort of like a shampoo, but like an intense one, you could say. But I use a deep conditioner right after the fact. I ain't put nothing in my hair yet. My hair was so easy to like go through. I didn't use a single comb or nothing. Like the Aztec clay mask, I will give it I'm not gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because I feel like when I really like get into the routine of it and like take care of my hair even more, I feel like I'm gonna unlock its true power. So I'm gonna give it a 9.2. You up there. Aztec get a 9.2 out of me. And that says a lot. Anyways, back to what I was saying about the whole story from earlier in case y'all forgot. Pretty much, she's having a baby. I'm not no hater or nothing like that. I know I joke around and stuff. Congratulations to her. But on the other half, forget all that internet crush stuff. I ain't about to sweat my balls out of nothing. No, that's too much. That's too much. Calm down. I ain't about to stress myself. I'm not about to do it without nobody on the internet that I don't even know. I'm not giving nobody no status or nothing like that out of me. It's just, I can't do it. This was like the most innocent person I ever like if y'all knew who I was talking about, y'all would know she's so genuine and it's just like, what's going on? But hey, you win some, you lose some. Not gonna lie. Damn, boy. Damn.